Welcome to episode 4, Writing to Your Creditors. Now, this is where it really becomes important for you to do. Most people like to bury their head like an ostrich and not deal with debt. And this is not a wise thing to do. I like to educate people on how you can handle your debt without feeling pressurized. Now, the simple thing is to do is write to your creditors. Law has been passed that creditors can't barrage you with red letters and threatening letters for debt. And remember, that's all it is a debt. You don't want to, bring harm to yourself or feel stressed out because of debt. You have to look at it as it is only what it is. It's debt that has become unmanageable for yourself. And creditors like to listen to their consumers now. So, in order to do this, you always have to write to your creditors explaining your situation. I've created a template for you to use in order for you to write to your creditors. I've highlighted the areas in which you need to fill in. So it's basically fill in the blanks and send to your creditors. In this letter, in this template, it just states, "Dear Sir or Madam, in an effort to get my finances under control, I've sought the help of a Credit Consumer Council, CCCS." And basically outlining that you've entered into an agreement to clear down your debt. Now, what most people don't realize is that you can make an offer, a token offer to your creditors, and simply state to them, "This is what my affordability is." Now, as you saw in the household finance, I showed you how to work out what's coming in, what's going out, and what is basically left after paying everything. And it's that amount that you can demonstrate, this is the token I want to give towards my debt. Now, you could have debt with credit cards and say to the credit card company, for instance, "I can only afford to pay £1 towards my debt on my credit card each month. Can you freeze the interest and will you accept this token payment?" Now, most credit card companies will say yes to this. However, they will ask for you to create a document to demonstrate that you have and are struggling to clear down your debts. That is the household income document I gave you before. Once you send that accompanying with your letter, they will see that you basically don't have the money to clear their cards, and they will freeze the interest and they will accept the token payment. They will, however, want to do a review with you either 6 months to 12 months. And that's okay, because when you do the review, you need to look at what your affordability is at that time. If you're in the same situation, don't worry about it. Just tell them, "I'm in the same situation," and send them the same updated report of where you currently are. If you need help with this section and making sure that you're writing correctly to your creditors, please let me know in the comments below. But I have provided you with a letter that you can use to these companies to help clear down your debt. And it doesn't matter what debt you are in, these letters are suffice to cover all credit cards, loans, anything that you have outstanding that you're struggling with. It will help you to get it under control. So then you start to have control back on your life and control back on your debt. Thank you for watching this episode. I'll see you in episode 5.